today I'm going to teach you a very requested lesson by many of you. I'm going to teach you the 10 most incredibly difficult Arabic words to pronounce. Let's begin. ضفدع 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 ضفدع. Difficult, super difficult because it has one da. The first da is a guttural da, and it's vocalized with the e. D, then there's an f, dif, then we have a normal d. So it's not a guttural d, it's not dif da, it's dif da. So it's even more difficult. Dif da, and then it ends with the mostly difficult Arabic letter ever to pronounce, which is the letter ayn. Ayn with the uvula. You have to make it choke yourself, basically. Ayn. So we have the guttural the, we have an F. Fortunately, we have an easy letter in the middle of this horrible word, which means frog, by the way. So we have an F, an easy F, dif. Then we have a normal D, dif da, and then we have the ayn at the ending. Dif da, dif da, dif da. Try it with me. Try it on your own first, yalla. And then try it with me one last time. Dif da, dif da. Is it difficult? No, not a lot. The second word is the word qa'a. Qa'a, difficult. Qa'a. I'm an Arab and I'm telling you qa'a. Qa'a. Try it with me. Qa'a. Let's try to see the letters involved in this horrible, pronounceably Arabic word. Qa'a. Qa'a. Qa, it's a guttural qa. Come from the deep in the throat. Qa, qa, qa. Not ka, ka, ka. Qa. Qa with a long a. Qa, qa. And then we have the ayn again in the middle. Qa'a. And the ta marbuta with just a short a sound after the ayn. Qa'a. 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 Qa'a means a hall where many people are gathered. Qa'a. Qa'a. Meet me at the qa'a. Try to pronounce it on your own. And then with me, qa'a, qa'a. I just taught the third word to my daughter and she hates it. She loves the meaning of it, but she hates to pronounce it in Arabic. It means rainbow. Rainbow in Arabic, unfortunately, is qaws quzah. Qaws quzah. Qaws quzah. 2 words. Qaws quzah. Let's try to see. It begins with a qa, again a guttural qa. Then we have a waw, qaw, and then a s, easy, qaws, qaws. Then we have again another qa, which is vocalized with a short u. So qaws qu, qaws qu. Then we have a za, quza, and then we have the final letter that you hate a lot, which is the ha, quzah, quzah. How do you pronounce this ha? You just push air outside your mouth. Vocal cords are not vibrating. It's not ha. It's ha. If you put your fingers here, your vocal cords shouldn't be vibrating. It's just a flow of air that's going out, and you're doing ha. Qaws quzah. Qaws quzah. Qaws quzah. I want to hear you. I can't hear you, but I want you to try it on your own. And with me, qaws quzah. The fourth word is the word Morocco or sunset, and it's pronounced in Arabic as maghrib. 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 Not maghrib. 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 It's very difficult to pronounce because there's the ghain, letter ghain. It's difficult for many people to pronounce. It's not difficult for Germans or French to pronounce, but it's very difficult to pronounce, especially for them. So we grant you mercy, but then we punish you. Since the gha is very easy for you, Germans and French, we make it complex for you because we add a normal R after it. So it's not just maghrib. It's easy to say maghrib if you're French, huh? But it's maghrib, so you have to add a normal rolling your R again after your French R. Sorry. So it's the word maghrib. Really difficult to pronounce. Maghrib. So, because the letter Ghain is not an R, it comes from the G. Maghreb, you've heard of Maghreb because in the media they call this whole area as the Maghreb area, Maghribini in Italiano, for example, they say the Moroccans, they call them I Maghribini. Of course, because you can't say Maghribini, or you just try to accommodate or like simplify the words that are not in your language into your language and to be easily pronounced. We understand that. But if you want to learn Arabic, you need to pronounce well the letter Ghain, which is found in this word, Maghrib, with a Ra after it, rolling your R. Maghrib. So this word actually, it results as very difficult for all of you. A lot of nationalities, not especially for French and Germans. Let's repeat it again. Maghrib. Maghrib. Try it on your own. Maghrib. Maghrib. Maghrib means Morocco or sunset in general. Maghrib. The fifth word, I'm going to be merciful because it's easier than the first four. It's the word question. In Arabic we say su'al. 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 The difficulty is basically in the writing. Su, then we have a waw with a hamza. Su. It's not su'al. No. It's su, glottal stop, and then you have to add the al. Su'al. Pretty easy if you repeat it many times. Su'al, try it with me. Su'al. It means question. Su'al. The sixth word is pretty difficult because it doesn't have only one ayn, it has two. It's the word na'na. Not nana, not nana. Nana means mint in Arabic, and we drink it and eat it and chop it everywhere, and we eat it a lot and we use it a lot, so it's very like the word is very repeated. And if you are going to learn Arabic, you're going to get involved also in the culture, and you're going to need to pronounce the word nana a lot. So nana, not nana. Try to really basically, I taught you a lesson on how to pronounce the ayn perfectly. Click here and this will lead you on how to pronounce, like a full lesson on how to pronounce the letter ayn. But basically you just try to say an try to say sound, because ayn is not a vowel. So you start with the and then you slowly choke yourself. This is the letter ayn. This is letter ayn. You have to learn to start with it. You know, to start choking yourself without saying because it's not a vowel. It's not a there's no sound. There's no glottal stop anywhere. It's just choke yourself at the beginning or at the ending, like in the case of na. The word mint in Arabic is the word na'na. The seventh word is the adjective mashghul. Also difficult because of the presence of the ghain sound. It's not mashghul, it's mashghul. And the difficulty is that the ghain is in the middle of the word, because if you try to say gharb, which means like ovest or west, gharb, it's not that difficult to start with the gha, but put it inside words, it results more difficult for non-Arabs. The word mashghul means busy, line is busy, or somebody who is busy is mashghul. Let's try together one last time. Mashghul. The next word, it's the word pressure. Pressure, in Arabic we say ضغط. A very difficult word, ضغط. It's all guttural letters. ض, it's not da. We're not saying ضغط, we're saying ض. And then we have the gha in the middle, the ghain sound, the French R, if you want to call it, gha. And then we have another t sound, t sound, where it's not a normal ta, it's the guttural ta. So it's ta, not ta, backwards in the throat, ta. I look very good saying ta. That's why this is a category of words, of the most horribly pronounced words in Arabic. We need to learn them, unfortunately, and we need to start using them. The word pressure, you will need to say pressure in Arabic. It's the word ضغط. pronounce it well with me. يلا. ضغط. Sorry, I made a mistake. See, I'm an Arab. I also make mistakes with difficult pronounceable words. ضغط. not ضغط. I say ضغط. No, ضغط. 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 Pressure is ضغط. The ninth word is the word عظمة. عظمة. Difficult because of the. It's not only putting your tongue between your teeth, but it's not a normal the like this or that or the. It's guttural the. So it's not that. It's va. So the word is عظ, not عذ. عظمة. 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 عظمة means bone. Any bone. Human, animal, bone. عظمة. عظمة. It also starts with a difficult ayn, so it's not ma. You have to concentrate not only on the va, making it guttural and put your tongue between your teeth, but also on the ayn at the beginning. That it's not a vowel, it's just choking yourself at the beginning. And then va and then ma. ma. Note, by this lesson I don't want you to hate or Arabic or to commit suicide. I want you to get involved more in the language and to love it more. These are the most difficult ones. The rest is easy. If you can pronounce this, you're good to learn, to continue learning Arabic. Okay? This is an encouragement video, not a reason for you to quit learning the language. عظمة. Try it on your own and try it with me. عظمة. عظمة. The last word is the word Eid. You probably have heard of Eid, happy Eid. It's not Eid, no. It's Eid. Eid. It's the letter Ayn again, with the vowel, long vowel E. It's like it results really difficult because it's not A. It's either O, becomes more difficult, and I, even more difficult because you have to choke yourself and then try to move it with a long E afterward. Eid. Eid. Happy Eid. Not Eid. Eid, okay? So you're choking yourself with the vowel afterwards, so it elongates the whole choking process. It makes it a little bit longer and more difficult to pronounce. Eid. Eid means feast or holiday. When you say happy Eid, you have to, and if you're saying Arabic, you say Eid Sa'id, not Eid Sa'id or Eid Kareem or whatever. So Eid. Eid with a Ayn. I'm going to add more words only because I love you, not only 10. These words are pretty easier than the rest, but I'm going to add them. They might result also difficult to pronounce, which are Sahara. Have you heard of Sahara? Have you heard of Sahara? Sahara desert? Sahara comes from the word Sahra. Sahra means desert. Sahara is pronounced by a guttural sa, not a sa. We're not saying Saha, Sahara. We're saying sa, sa, and then a ha, sah. Push air out of your mouth. Sah, and then ra, and then at the ending. Sahra. Maybe that's one of the most difficult words, and I added it just like as an extra. But I'm adding it, so appreciate it. Anyways, Sahra. Sahra. Sahra, desert. Sahra. You have to make this at the ending pretty clear. Sahra. Maybe also qahwa is a bit difficult to pronounce, maybe because it's very much used. Qahwa means coffee in Arabic, and it's not ka, it's qa. Qahwa. Qahwa. The difficulty is that you have to pronounce the ka guttural, qa, and after it you have to put a normal h, an aspirated ha sound. So imagine qahwa. That's a difficulty in the word coffee. Qahwa. Not qawa, not qah, not qah. Qah. You have your vocal cords are vibrating this kind of h. It's not a ha sound, ha, the one that I told you before, habibi, hummus. No. This is the real h in Arabic. Ha, aspirated and strong, and your vocal cords are vibrating, and it's after a qa. That's the difficulty of the word qahwa. Qahwa, coffee. Qahwa. Did you like this lesson? If you did like it, please make sure to leave a comment below and also share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, to follow me on Instagram, mahayakoub, where you can stay updated with all my news. Also to like my Facebook page at Learn Arabic with Maha, one word. Make sure also to check the details of my upcoming Arabic course in the Holy Land, which is starting in about a month and a half, from the 29th of July until the 8th of August. I'm holding this intensive Arabic course starting from zero. It's a beginning Arabic course and moving on to become intermediate and even upper intermediate in less than 2 weeks. If you want to check the details, everything you will find everything in the description box below. There's a link. It can lead you to the page. You can see the prices, and in case you like it, you can apply. I really hope you like this lesson, and I will be seeing you in a following Arabic lesson with me, Maha. مع السلامة. Bye.